back to my channel Techie, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to create direct download links for the files we upload on our Google Drive. Let me tell you, this particular feature is very much useful for marketers, especially the ones who are doing email marketing and SMS marketing. In SMS marketing we have limited number of characters available, so in that case you can actually create direct download links. You can have a short copy and a link below, and whenever a user clicks on that, he will directly download your content from that SMS. So let me show you how it's done. Let's just click on this particular image that we have here. Alright, then we go on get link. Now one thing which you guys need to take care of is we need to change this setting here. Now my setting is default that anyone with the link can view this particular URL, but in most of the cases it is restricted. So in your particular drive, if it is restricted, then you need to change this setting to anyone with the link for that particular file only. Then what we'll do is we'll copy this link here. Now I already have a pre-written command for you guys, which is this direct download link command which I have mentioned. Let's just paste the link which we copied. So you see here we have a big link here, and the commands are pretty much different than what is mentioned above. Above command says export, download and ID. The below URL is nothing but the file link which you just copied from the Google Drive. This is the ID of your file, which is alphanumerical along with some special characters as well. So what we need to do here is we just need to take this particular ID and paste it after this already created link. Let's just see if it is working fine. See, download complete. This means our link is working fine. So guys, all you need to do is you need to have this link. So guys, all you need to do is you need to have this command in place. Alright, this particular command will be mentioned in my video description. If in case you want to directly write it or note it down, then I'm just zooming in for this particular command ID. You can note it down. All you need to do is, if you want to create a download link, just copy the ID of the particular file from here and paste it after is equals to, and then you have your download link ready with you. Another thing which I want to tell you guys, this particular link, it's too long to be used anywhere. So if in case we want to shorten this, then you can go to bit.ly.com. This is a link shortener URL. All you can do is you can paste the link which you just created, shorten this, shorten it, copy it. We go to a new tab to check whether it's working fine. We'll paste this bit.ly link here and let's see if our file is getting downloaded. Yes, it is working fine. And this particular bit.ly URL, you can use it in your email marketing campaigns or SMS campaigns, to avoid using a lot of text. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.